Look at this. My space for the moment is here. Aliana is making a lot of joyful painting, coloring things. Here I can come to rest a bit, come to my inner peace. I had an insight. My hearts want to share a few moments with you, so I just stopped peeling my cacao. So we are producing something now. Cacao has a lot of benefits, so we want to do it 100% pure. So we have the beans, so we have to peel them. We do not roast them because it's taking a lot of the health away from the cacao beans. So we are taking the first steps, and then after we trust. For now, we trust really in the universe because it is given to us, and it's since a while that you really feel that this is something for us, because we really like to drink pure cacao. And now we had some insights since few months, and it is here for the moment. So we are taking the first steps, and the universe will show us the beautiful way. So that's I was doing now to come to my inner peace, because it was a very energetic day today. It was a lovely, lovely, lovely day. It was not eating, and Aliana and John were doing it with me, so we work together in it. And if you are together standing after something, then you are really powerful. So I feel so blessed. But it was like I felt a bit in a rush, or something that was going too fast for me, but I was still going. And I was aware of that, so I want to know from what that was. So I will see and feel after why that was today. But then you just need to go back to your center and to your inner peace, and just say, now I'm going to take a deep breath in and out and come to myself again, and be aware of what you are doing in that moment. And that I did a few moments today. So it is because if you are not eating, you have so much energy, and sometimes the body is just running, and it's going in automatically pilot, and then you need to take control of that. And I am doing something new, so that's a new challenge for myself. I like to do that because I really want to share this with everyone, and guide you in some way that everybody can do that, because this is new for me too. So I'm making new habits. And the challenge now, since 2 days, I set a sound on my telephone that wakes me up, and that's 5 o'clock and 55 minutes. So 3 times 5. I love this synchronization. And then I want to wake up. There was a long time actually that I want to feel what my natural state of waking up point was. So I just slept. I go to bed when I want, and then see if that's resonating with me, yes or no. And now after a while, I think it's now 1.5 years or something, I want to have to do more things without feeling in a rush. So now I have so much more space to do things that I really want, because you stand up early in the morning, you feel good. It's changing because your map is changing, so your brain is like, what's happening now? And I'm very energetic for the moment, so that's very good. I don't need that much sleep, because sleep it's good, but you don't need to have that much. So that's what my experience is for the moment now. And waking up early in the morning, it's so beautiful outside, and I am making I want to do some things in the morning, so that's why I'm experienced now. So I stand up, be grateful, thankful for everything I have, and go deep into my heart. I go to the mirror, say my sentence to myself, so self-talk that I'm doing, and then I am meditating with the program. Holosync, the program with the binaural beat meditation for 1 hour, and then I read my secret message to myself. I do Luyong, and then I do I just do my clothes on, do things that I want to do, and Aliana is wake up then, and but it's so refreshed for the moment. And then at one point you have so much more space to do other things together, like don't feeling in a rush anymore, because you have everything that you really want to do, it's already done, and then you can do more things and you feel more good into yourself, because you can do more things and you have more energy to do more things. So today was like I was doing things and a lot of things, and then after a while my body was saying, whoa, now you really need to calm down, because it's changing for myself, and the body, mind and soul is like a little bit out of the program that I had before. So that's why I'm sitting now here to come to my inner peace, and that feels very good for the moment. So all these things now, there is a lot of changing, so that's good, that's progressing again. And here with the cacao, it's like meditating, so I like to do that. It's with a lot of love, and I know that's very beneficial. So if people will drink this, then it's a heart opener. So if you want to know more about that, you really can ask me all the benefits of this. We are doing this now for 1 year, 2 years already, drinking some cacao, but it was still roasted because we buy it from somebody that does that. So now we are producing our own. So that feels even more lovely, because you really know what's in there, and you have going through the processes by yourself. So that's very nice. So let me see if I want to say more about today. Oh yeah, I feel so blessed. I have a lot of moments after my meditation that I am feeling so blessed, because there are things coming into our life that's really things that we want and that we ask, and what we let go, and it's now happening. So it's coming together, and that feels so good, and we are so supported by all the angels around us, angels that are in people, that in humans that we really are connected with. And I believe, I trust, I have faith, I do things different in certain situations. I do it different than I do before, and if you are in that moment and that you that you are doing that different, it's like the brain is not agree with that, and it's making up things in your mind, but you just stay calm and you just say nothing at all. And this is really, really, really helping me, because I am doing it different. I don't know how you can explain this, but it makes some new ways. The way that you are always going, it's like normal, it's a path that you are making. But if you're doing it different and you make a new path, and then there are so much things coming into your life, it's like that's maybe what's speeding up now, because there are things coming into our life. It's like abundance, it's a lot, it's like the brain is like, whoa, what's happening now? I cannot progress it. But it is like it is, and it always comes in a way that you do not expect. And if it is there, then you need to be really, really, really grateful. And that's what I'm feeling so much now. It's wonderful how the universe works, and it's getting better and better. If you are aware of these things, you will get more and more and more aware of the things that you are doing, the things that you want to say, the things, the habits in your life that it's not a good habit. You will just let it go and change the habit and make a new one that serves you and help you growing. So these things are all happening for the moment. I just want to share this. One thing again, be yourself always, and that's who I am. That's why I make this channel, just to share my life and what my growth processes are, and that we can help each other always in which situation you are. That's just life, and we need to be honest with ourselves and with others. Things that are happening into your life, it's not always super good. You can make it good, but there are situations that it's not always that easy, and we really need to share this with each other. Now there was a feeling today too, maybe I will share this too, because this was funny. I was really observating myself. I had a Zoom call with somebody that is making retreats or doing retreats, and I was interested in one of him. And so I had a Zoom call. It was like planned, and before we connected, I was feeling like I want to plan what I want to say, and how it will go. And I had some butterflies in my belly. Like, I was really observing myself. Why is this? Why you are doing that? And then the call was there, and it was a nice call. It was resonating, but sometimes I was like floating, like, okay, this is now what I'm saying, but is this the thing that I want to say? And then I had it back in control, and just being yourself is just so important. So you can this was what the phone was, the call was about. So just being in my center, being myself, don't let the emotion take over you. And I did that, so I was glad that I managed it. But it's so important to be yourself. You can copy somebody that has things that you want to achieve. You can copy some things of that, but don't copy the whole package. Pick some things that's resonating with you, take them, and then plant it totally by in your own way of telling something or being. Don't change, because this is happening sometimes so fast. If you are listening too much to others and not listening to yourself again, that's why I like it to be sometimes just alone to be in my space, because I know I'm good, I know I'm who I am, and I'm just good in the way I am. And if everybody can do this always, then you will become so successful, and you are standing so much in your power just because you are you, and you are not behave for one other that's wearing masks. So really stay yourself, because then you will get so far. Yeah. Okay, I will go to my inner again. I will peel some more cacao, and then I will make a new lesson for Luyong to teach all of you the beautiful benefits and movements of this healing, this healing yoga. So go to my lessons in Lyon and do it with me. Thank you very much for listening and watching. If you like this video, click on the likes that give me a lot of love. Subscribe on my channel, and give me some comments if you want to know more about something, whatever. Feel what's in your heart and just send it out to me, that we can connect. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the moment, and enjoy really yourself. Bye.